Hi everyone, Namaste. Today I'm going to prepare a very simple homemade drink which helps burn fat. So let's get started. We need 1 glass of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar, organic one, half of a squeezed lemon, organic one, The benefits of this drink is it helps to burn fat, it lowers the cholesterol in your organism, it raises your immunity, it is natural probiotic, it regulates the level of sugar in blood, it is the source of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. So, to get the best results, this drink should be consumed 30 minutes before your meals, twice a day. People with more sensitive stomach should not drink this mixture on empty stomach, but rather have the routine before lunch and supper. Otherwise, you may start your day with it and have it before breakfast and lunch. I hope you like this recipe and don't forget leave your comments, and if you like my channel please subscribe and see you again. Namaste.